Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, August 23rd. The time right now is 6:58 a.m. and the temperature is around 24 degrees Celsius. And I am here at a place I haven't been to for quite a while. This is Pearson Airport. And given that it's so early, I decided to take a lift from my Midtown apartment to the airport. And I've got my trusty passport in hand. It's been a while since I've had to use that. So for this one, I'm just gonna walk into the check-in area. I've already checked into the flight and have a digital boarding pass printed. And I'll be off to New York. So this is Terminal 1. It's one of two main terminals at the airport, Terminal 1 and Terminal 3. There's an island terminal as well, but that's seldom used. And my flight departs at 10, and I think from gate F. So I'm not going to film myself in line or anything, but let's figure out. New York. Aisle 11, gate F66. Wait, did I read that right? Yeah, it says to the left. Alright, so I guess we're heading over to 11. So those gates near where I entered must be mostly domestic flights, if not all. There's a currency exchange. There's where you'd go through security for an international flight normally. Just gonna stop for 1 second. I could hear my keys jingling in my pocket. So if you've been wondering what the airport is like, hopefully this gives you some idea. So this line here, I think, would be to get to U.S. Customs. You do pre-clear through U.S. Customs in Canada, so you land as a domestic flight, although I'm not sure if that'll be the case under COVID. I can't remember if you go through the security screening or customs first. I did have to sign some attestation regarding my health status. I also had to get a negative COVID test, and that cost me $169. I do have my proof of vaccination with me because that'll be needed in New York City. Alright, since I already have my boarding pass, I think I can just go line up at the other gate. I'm just going to double check with someone here. And on that note, I'm just going to get ready, and once I'm back and through the screening process, I'll update the rest of the journey. So I will see you soon. And I am through security and I have cleared customs. I'll just jump on the escalator here. And the time right now is 8:48. So that took about an hour and 45 minutes to get through everything. Security wasn't so bad. I did get flagged and they manually went through my stuff, but it was really the US Customs pre-clearance that took a while. And my flight here is at F66. So I'm just going to find my way over there. And then that'll pretty much be it. It's one way to get through the airport. I imagine someone will tell them to stop doing that at some point. So here's a fork in the road, but I think I want to be going this way. I don't normally pass through this part of Terminal 1, as I'm not often flying to the States. There's a Starbucks. There are some people just in front of me in line who had a 9 a.m. flight to Arizona. And it seems like they barely would have made it. Big lines for the overpriced food here. These people are getting ready to board, actually. I thought that was the lineup for food. So boarding for my flight starts at, I think, 9:30. All right, so my gate should be just up here on the left. Conveniently, next to a closed Tim Hortons and Wahlburgers. It's a weird feeling being back in a departure lounge like this. So my lounge is just here on the left. Let's take a look out the windows here on the right. And this gate is for a flight to LA. This is all Air Canada planes here. All right, and that is the journey from checking in to my departure gate. I'm going to use the restroom and get some food. And then I'll be on my way to New York. There's a look towards Mississauga. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I might come back and show the boarding part of the flight. I'm not really sure yet. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.